Hi, welcome to another episode of Trini Bites. Today we're going to make curry chicken. I'd like to thank one of our subscribers, Morris Smith. He requested this dish. This is my ingredients I got here. First of all, I got a chicken here. It's about 4 pounds. I have the seasoning, which is onion. This is celery. This is chive, bandania, 1 pepper, and 2 strands of thyme. Also have 4 tablespoons of curry, 1 tablespoon of masala, 1 tablespoon of jeera, 1 tablespoon of salt, and you can add as you go along. And this is about 2 tablespoons of oil, and a lime so we can wash the chicken. There are many ways of cutting the chicken. This is my way. So I take the bone out, but most of them don't need it. So you can keep it if you want, cut them into pieces and clean it. I also take the skin off. I like to get most of the fat out. So I take it out, clean it out before. And then I cut it up into pieces. And you get a fine bone here. If this piece is too big, you can cut it into 2 pieces. Now I'll tackle the wing. Then I take this piece out from the middle. Again, pull the skin out. So you can wash the chicken with vinegar or lime. I use lime, sometimes I use vinegar. There we go. This is my way again of getting all the juice out. Look at that. Every drop is going to come out here. I put it so I can drain all the water out for about at least 5 minutes. With the strainer. I'll let it drain for 5 minutes. So I'm going to season the chicken now. The thyme, I'll put in the whole thyme, but it will let go. I'll just take the stem off alone. I'll leave some onion back so I can burn with the curry. Salt in. Black pepper. You can also use grind seasoning if you have in the fridge. Grind seasoning is good as well. Now this pepper is very hot, so I'm going to use just a piece of it. Wow, that's hot. Okay, I'm going to put the stove on, put the oil in. And I use olive oil. I also have a few curry leaves here, or as we say in Trinidad, curry pili. You can use it if you want, but as you have it, you can use it. So just check to see the oil hot for the curry pili. Put the onions in. Leave the onions for a minute or 2. I'll add the curry in, the jeera and the masala. Let's match. Now you can put more oil if you want to, but less oil is better for you. You can also patch without oil as well. Once the pot is hot, throw some water in. That's nice. So we're gonna patch at least, for me, at least about 3 minutes. We keep adding water and patching it. So this gotta cook about, what I'm gonna do is cover it and it will spring its own water. So I'll be checking it back like in about 4 minutes. And a lot of people is asking what part of Trinidad I'm from. I'm from Paje village in Tunapuna. So after 4 minutes, the water is starting to spring. Nice little turn. I like to check it every 5 minutes, you know. Okay, one more time. Oh, this is bubbling nice. That is what they call curry chicken. "15 minutes has gone, and look at that. Beautiful. 5 more minutes and we're eating. So after 25 minutes, it's done. I'll leave it with a little bit of sauce. You can eat it with rice, also roti, bread, anything. So I'm gonna make a little bit of cucumber chow here. Already had the cucumber, some banana and pepper. Just gonna add a little dash of salt in it. Shake him up a little. This is the plate with the curry chicken, a little salad, tomatoes, lettuce, and a piece of raw pepper for me. And now some cucumbers. Let's have a taste of BCC, Bobby's Curry Chicken. Excellent. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.